I always said that we could do it better. I always felt that what the industry was getting was different than what we should be doing. And I just felt that, if I could do it for somebody else, I should be able to do it for myself. Back in March of 1994, when we started the company, we were mostly engineers, just electrical automation type engineers. We were programmers. But we only had a portion of the projects. There's another 75% that was mechanical. So we didn't have full control, but we were always the last. So in 2002, we added the mechanical staff. And what we're going after is trying to get more control of the whole overall project. So when we started designing and learning what we had to do, our biggest thing was we didn't really have a product to go into the market today. And our products are in and around paper at the time. In the 80s and 90s, you couldn't make enough paper. In 2000, nobody could find it. So we had to switch from different industries and things like that. One of the things that we started addressing was we didn't really have to think about the industry as much as the process and the applications. The foam industry was not as automated as other industries. And that's really our expertise is, we like automation. So we like to tie systems together. We also have to wait for the industry to sort of catch up to us. When I look at the foam industry, it still has a long ways to go. We see a lot of big players with thousands and thousands of units a day, which is unique, for this industry, but it's not unique to us. What I like about the foam industry is still relatively young, and it's still moving very quickly. If you hire somebody better than you. So when I mean that, associate with people, your vendors, everybody. But when you look at this team, the culture, it makes things very easy. I love sometimes going to shows and things like that where I just stand back about 50 feet and I just stand there and smile because you don't get these glimpses, every day is that things are working, and it all comes back to culture. It comes back to having the right people that know how to work together and to get the job done, and they have the same passion you do. I think that's the key, is the passion. Do they really enjoy what they do? And if they do, let them go. I think what would I tell myself on day one? I would say stay focused, make sure that you do what you're supposed to be doing and don't leave that spot. But I think it's going to evolve, it's going to change, and just accepting that. But with focus and following a certain, pattern, in the markets, I think this is a good thing for C3.